presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bhosle, above Cafe Bhosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
नमस्कार. पोळ्या प्रुडंट खबरो. नॉमिनेशनाचो निमणो दीस तेकलो. कांय कॅन्डिडेटाचेर काँग्रेस वग्गी. सीट शेअरिंग स्ट्रॅटेजी अजून डिक्लेअर सिक्रेट. फातोर्डा काँग्रेसीन लासलो दिग्विजयाचो पुतळो. काणकोण मयेचे बंड. बीजेपीन पद्धतशीर केले थंड. तवडकार निमणे अपक्ष. बीजेपीन अन्याय केलो म्हूण बोवाळ. मया अनंत शेटाचो आवाज बंद. सेक्युलर फोर्साक एकठांय हाडूंक काँग्रेस फेल. एनसीपी घालता 20 कॅन्डिडेट. बुधवारा लिस्ट डिक्लेअर. फेल केल्ले युतीचेर एनसीपीची काँग्रेसीच्या नांवान शबय. बीजेपी सरकारा आड आपाची गोंयभर झाडू यात्रा. मांद्र्या मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकराच्या मतदारसंघातल्यान एल्विस गोमसाच्या फुडारपणान यात्रा सुरू. कुंकळे एके विधवा बायलेचेर बलात्कार करून खून. मारल्या ती सुलक्षा गांवकर गुडी काणकोणची. 25 वर्साची विधवा. आणि बाबू नाईक यादस्तीक. दुसरी ऑल इंडिया क्रिकेट सर्त 20 तारखेसावन मडगांव आणि आगोंदा जातल्यो मॅची. बुधवारा नॉमिनेशन भरपाचो निमणो दीस. मात काँग्रेसीन अजून आपले कांय कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केल्ले ना. काँग्रेसीचो डेस्क इन्चार्ज दिग्विजय सिंग सांगता ते प्रमाण बुधवारा खंय काँग्रेस तांची स्ट्रॅटेजी जाहीर करतली. काँग्रेसीक युती नाका, मात बीजेपीक घरात हाडपाक ते स्ट्रॅटेजीक सीट शेअरिंग करतले. हे शेअरिंग खंय जातले तेवूय काँग्रेस सांगना. फातोड्ड्या काँग्रेस ब्लॉक कमिटीन निषेध करून दिग्विजय सिंगाचो पुतळो करून लासलो.
Our whole strategy is to defeat the BJP. And our leadership is talking to candidates wherever we don't have a viable candidate. We are looking at candidates who can defeat the BJP. We are in the process of taking decision on the rest of the seats. Our election manifesto is also in the process of being prepared, and we'll be releasing our manifesto on 23rd, Monday, 23rd January. We are not going into any alliance with any political party, but going for a strategic seat adjustment. And that also subject to the discussions with the leadership of the Congress party in Goa.
Is it going to be on all the 6 remaining seats or?
Well, we'll let you know.
Tomorrow is the last day.
We will let you know. We will let you know.
Has Anwar been given Saliman seat?
Who?
Anwar.
Has it been declared by the ICC?
Sir, Goa Forward's mentor and right now the member of Goa Forward, Vijay Sardesai, claimed that the party high command has promised them that they would get 4 seats, including Fatorda, Siolim, Salim. What is your response to that?
I told you will be told. officially.
Sir, stay. When, sir?
Tomorrow is the last day.
Tomorrow is the last day of filing nomination.
Well, the fact is, all these decisions will be conveyed to you at an appropriate moment. We have a public meeting addressed by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. We'll fix up a date which will be closer to the election. And we have our whole campaigning would be more subdued and door to door. This is Sonia Gandhi may also come, but subject to her health. But we'll have a younger set of people campaigning here, like Jyotiraj Scindia, Sachin Pilot, Milind Devra.
One man is selling God, man is selling the Congress party. Is this the frustration to your level that you wanted us to say it out? We have worked tirelessly for this Congress bloc. There was nobody in the Congress. It was we who had started. Everybody was getting scared. Today we have stood and we will still won't give up this fight till the senior leaders tell us what we should do. We will be waiting for them. But this is very unfair of a senior leader like Digvijay Singh to come and tell us. Where were the times they had said there would not be no high command? Everything will be decided in Goa by the blocks. Today we gave the names and today this is our fate.
Block from the Congress party.
Not at all.
Then what is going to be?
Let them expel us. Let them expel us.
So what will be your next step? That is my question.
Joseph, we had told them that Joseph, if at all you don't give, he will resign and the entire bloc will be behind him for campaign as Congress, because here whatever symbol he chooses, he will be filing the nomination.
काणकोण मयेचे बंड बीजेपीन पद्धतशीर थंड केले. तवडकार अपक्ष मगो आनी ताचे नक्षत्राक पटना. बीजेपीचे काम केले, गोयभर वावुरलो, मात पक्षान अन्याय केलो म्हूण तो बोवाळ मारता. कार्यकर्त्यांक घेवन अपक्ष जिखून दाखयता म्हूण रमेश फॉर्म भरताना उलयला. अनंत शेटाचो आवाज मात 2 दिसान बंद, तो राजकी अज्ञातवासान गेला. कोणाक फोनार सुद्धा मेळना.
काणकोण आणि मया 2 मतदारसंघांनी सिटींग मिनिस्टर आणि सभापतीक तिकेट ना म्हणिल्ल्यान मोठो वाद जाल्लो. बीजेपीन थंय अनंत शेट आणि तवडकराचो पत्तो कापलो. ते सुवातेर प्रवीण झाटी आणि विजय पै खोताक चान्स दिलो. अनंत आणि रमेश दोगांकूय हे कोत्र गेल्ल्यान तांणी बंडाची भाशा सुरू केल्ली. अनंताच्या कॅम्पान पर्रीकराक ओपन चॅलेंजूय दिल्ली. अपक्ष रावन बीजेपीचो सीट वडयता म्हूण भाशाय सुरू जाल्ली. मात अनंत शेट 2 दिसात थंड. दुसरे वटेन रमेश तवडकार अपक्ष. ताणें अपक्ष म्हूण अर्ज भरला. मगो कडेन ताची सोयरीक जुळ्ळी ना.
म्हजी स्वताची भावना आसा. एक भारतीय जनता पक्षाचा कार्यकर्तो म्हणून जे फाटली 12 वर्सां निश्ठेन काम केली. संघटनेच्या बाबतीत जर जी हांवें जी कामगिरी केल्ली आसा ती भारतीय जनता पक्षा अनेक नेत्यांक किंवा गोंयभरांक खबर आसा. फाटल्या 5 वर्सांच्या कालखंडा भितर जी म्हजेर जी जबाबदारी दिली मंत्री म्हणून जे आसा न्ही 4 खात्याची जबाबदारी अत्यंत निश्ठेन आणि प्रामाणीकपणेन पूर्ण गोंयची हांवें सेवा केल्ली आसा.
मगोची ऑफर एक्सेप्ट करपाक रमेशाक जमली ना. मात आपूण अपक्ष येवन दाखयता म्हूण तो आतां उलयता.
काल पर्रीकरान म्हणलां टिकेट डिक्लेअर करचे पयलीं तुमी राजिनामो दिले म्हणून. हे खरें काय कितें?
टिकेट डिक्लेअर करचे पयलें हांवें राजिनामो दिला ही म्हणपाची गजाल खोट आसा. कारण अक्षरशः की सादारणशे 9 तारखेपासून की सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांक दिसतालें की रमेश तवडकराची उमेदवारी आसा न्ही पयल्या 3 किंवा 4 डिक्लेअर जावची अशी अपेक्षा आसली. आनी दर एक कार्यकर्तो असो त्या दिसा साकून असो खीण मोजतालो. आमी पक्षा कडेन गद्दारी करूंक ना. पक्षान आमचे कडेन आमच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यां कडेन गद्दारी केल्ली आसा अशें म्हजें म्हणणें आसा. आनी त्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्याची वाचा फोडपा खातीरच आनी सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी एक अशा तरेचो निर्णय घेतलो आसा. आमी अपक्ष म्हणून निवडून हाडून आमी हाडटलेच अशा तरेचो ह्या निर्णय.
काणकोण आणि मया बीजेपीतले बंड सध्या तरी बीजेपीन पद्धतशीर थंड केला. मगोक ताचो डायरेक्ट फायदो जावचो ना इतली व्यवस्था केल्या. मात एक मंत्री आणि दुसरो सभापती दोगांचो राजकीय फुडार आयचे घडयेक तरी अनिश्चित. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि बबेश बोरकार.
काँग्रेसीन आपयले म्हूण युतीचेर उलोवपाची तयारी एनसीपीन दाखयल्ली, मात सेक्युलर फोर्साक एकठांय हाडूंक काँग्रेसीक जमलें ना म्हूण एनसीपीचो प्रफुल्ल पटेल उलयला. काँग्रेसीन कम्युनल पक्षाक सत्तेची वाट मेकळी केल्या. निकाल कितेंय लागू येता. बिगर काँग्रेस सेक्युलर फोर्साचें सरकारूय येवंक शकता. एनसीपीन 20 उमेदवार घालपाची तयारी केल्या. लिस्ट बुधवारा डिक्लेअर जातले म्हूण पटेल उलयलो.
NCP has always endeavored to be part of a secular alliance. The Congress party is, I would say, interested in giving a walkover or indirectly allowing the communal forces like BJP and other parties to gain more ground, and that has been very visible after the national elections in Delhi, and consequently so many of the states where elections have taken place, the Congress has not been able to win because of the lack of bringing like-minded forces, like-minded parties together. So in the last 2, 3, 4 days, whatever developments have taken place are certainly showing that the Congress party would like to go alone, and in this situation NCP has decided that we will be fighting on our own. In Goa we are just in the process of finalizing, but there will be a large number of seats we will be contesting. The exact number will be announced tomorrow, but the number of seats will be approximately 20 and above. So 20 and above, tomorrow you will get the list of candidates. See, there is nothing like that. All political parties have their way of working. Congress has also announced its list, some today, some even they have not announced fully today. What is their final stand? Some other parties are also in the process. That's fine.
Is there a possibility of a postponed alliance in Congress in Goa?
See, let us see now what the results come. I cannot give, I am not a, maybe there could be some secular alliance minus the Congress also, who knows? Who knows? I don't know. I mean, at this moment.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.